In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure to rebuild a front brake caliper. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for removing our caliper. Now, this caliper mounting style is unique mostly to Fords. It has slide-in pins that hold it in place. There are no nuts and bolts that hold it on. If your vehicle does have nuts and bolts, you're going to want to take those out at this time. If you happen to be driving a vehicle that has pound-in slide pins, you're going to take a flat blade screwdriver and a small hammer and drive them all the way through the caliper. Just like so. As you can see, the pins have small notches on them. Those notches line up with the outside of the caliper bridge and hold the pin in place. You go ahead and drive out the bottom slide pin. You're going to want to take and only tap on the metal portion of the pin. Being that the inside portion of the pin is rubber, you don't want to damage it with the blade of your screwdriver. Right there. You can see how it's rubber on the inside. This whole inner piece is rubber. So you're going to want to make sure to tap on the metal portion there. I'm going to set these aside for later reinstallation. They do not come in your caliper rebuild kit. Once you have the pins removed and your screwdriver out of the way, you're going to take and slide your caliper off and dump any residual fluid into a drain bucket. Just like so. If you're having difficulty sliding your caliper off the ridge, it may be necessary to compress it. What I mean by compressing it is to slip a screwdriver in between the pad and the caliper piston and lightly compress it backwards. You only need to compress it very slightly to release the static tension the pads hold on the rotor. That is the proper service procedure for removing your brake caliper.